This program provides you with $375 per sale. Honestly, I've never come across a program in my life that offers such incredible profits. If you make just 10 sales, you'll earn a remarkable $3,750. And if you achieve 100 sales, that's an astonishing $37,500. In this video, Mr. Minato will present the best 10 high-paying affiliate marketing programs that you should seriously think about joining right now. These programs have a simple sign-up process and offer appealing commission rates. There are programs that cover a wide variety of niches to choose from and also offer sign-up bonuses, recurring commissions, and substantial rewards. Let's get started. 1. Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered platform that simplifies the creation of video content, allowing users to produce videos without the need for cameras or studios. Synthesia offers an affiliate program tailored to the content creation niche. Signing up is easy and doesn't cost anything. If you join, you can get 20% of the money when someone you refer buys a personal plan in the first year. You need to have at least $30 before they pay you, and they will give your referrals credit for 60 days after they click your link. You'll get paid every month through PayPal. 2. Fiverr Affiliates. Fiverr is an online marketplace where people can hire freelancers to do tasks starting at $5. It is a great way to find affordable, high-quality services for a variety of needs, such as writing, design, programming, and marketing. Fiverr also offers an affiliate program that allows you to earn money by promoting their services. The Fiverr affiliate program offers a cost per action, CPA, and hybrid commission structure, with commission rates varying depending on the service category and up to $150 per first-time buyer. The cookie life is 30 days and payments are made monthly through bank transfer, Fiverr Revenue Card, or PayPal. The program offers generous payouts, lots of marketing materials, and brand recognition, but commissions are limited to first-time referrals and the program is highly competitive. To maximize your earnings, focus on promoting high-converting offers, using high-quality marketing materials, tracking your results, and being patient. If you're looking for a way to earn money by promoting high-quality services, the Fiverr affiliate program is a great option to consider. However, it's important to do your research and make sure it's the right fit for you before you sign up. 3. Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting company that offers affordable and reliable hosting solutions for businesses and individuals. Hostinger's affiliate program is a good option for affiliates who are looking to earn a high commission rate on web hosting sales. The program offers a 60% commission on every eligible sale, with no limit to how much publishers can earn. It is also easy to join and maintain, and you will have access to a variety of marketing materials to help you promote Hostinger. However, affiliates can only request a payout once it reaches the minimum amount of $100. 4. Grammarly. Grammarly is a helpful tool that checks and corrects your writing, making sure your words are accurate and clear. They also have an affiliate program. The reward is $20 whenever someone you tell signs up and pays for their service. You have 3 months, 90 days, after someone clicks your special link to get credit. If you make at least $30, they will pay you through methods like PayPal. It's a good chance to make some extra money by sharing something useful with others. 5. Semrush. Semrush is a powerful tool in the field of marketing, helping businesses with insights and strategies. They also offer an affiliate program designed for those in the marketing niche. Enrolling is straightforward and free. When you become an affiliate, you can earn $200 for every new sale, $10 for new trial activations, and even $0.01 for new signups. Your referrals clicks are tracked for 120 days, during which you'll receive credit for any resulting purchases. The affiliate program provides an opportunity to work with a skilled marketing team and offers rewards for trial signups. While the competition can be fierce, the benefits include various marketing tools and dedicated affiliate support. Payments are available through PayPal and wire transfer, with a minimum threshold of $50 to initiate payment processing. You have the flexibility to choose your payout day or wait until you reach a specific threshold. 6. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a way to make money by promoting Amazon products. When people buy through your special link, you earn a percentage, usually between 1% and 20% of the item's price. Amazon has lots of stuff, so you can choose what to promote. If someone clicks your link and buys within 24 hours, you get paid. If they add stuff to their cart, you might get paid even if they buy later, up to 90 days. Amazon pays you through direct deposit, checks, or gift cards, but not PayPal. It's good for beginners who want to earn by sharing product links. 7. Astra. Astra is a popular platform that creates beautiful website themes for WordPress. They have an affiliate program that lets you earn money by promoting their themes. When you sign up for the program, you can earn over 30% of the money whenever someone you refer buys a theme within 60 days of clicking your link. Astra is well known in the web design world with lots of happy customers. You can easily tell others about it because the themes are really good and trusted by experts. You might make up to $375 for each sale you help make. You can keep track of your referrals in a special dashboard. Once you've earned over $500 or referred at least 5 people, you'll get paid through PayPal. It's a simple way to earn money by sharing something great with others. 8. Canva. Canva is a user-friendly platform that helps people create designs like posters and presentations even if they're not design experts. If you're interested in design or have experience with it, you might like the Canva affiliate program. The amount of money depends on what kind of plan the person chooses. For example, if you choose a monthly plan, you can earn a lot more in the first 2 months, up to 80% of the money they pay. If you choose an annual plan, you can earn 25% of the money they pay all at once. The special link you share with others stays active for 30 days. That means if someone clicks the link and signs up within 30 days, you still get credit for bringing them to Canva. To get your money, you need to earn at least $10. Once you hit that amount, you can choose to get paid through your bank or PayPal. The program is quite helpful as they provide support through email and live chat. But remember, it might not be easy to join this program if you don't have many followers or fans yet. They're a bit picky about who they partner with. 9. GetResponse. GetResponse is a top digital marketing company that provides tools to help businesses connect with their customers online. They offer an affiliate program that's great for people interested in online marketing. Joining is simple and free. When you become a member, you can earn money by promoting GetResponse products. You have the option to select from 2 excellent programs. The Affiliate Recurring Program, which offers consistent and recurring commissions of 33% every month, and the Affiliate Bounty Program, which provides an upfront commission of $100 per sale. If you're interested, select the program that suits you best and easily register to begin your promotional journey. If someone you refer makes a purchase within 120 days of clicking your special link, you'll still get credit for it. You can receive your earnings through various payout methods once you've earned at least $50 in commissions. This affiliate program is a good opportunity for those in the digital marketing field, with a chance to earn while helping businesses succeed online. 10. Coursera. Coursera is a well-known online learning platform that collaborates with respected universities and companies worldwide. If you're interested in earning money online by promoting educational materials and courses, the Coursera affiliate program is an excellent option. The program allows you to earn commissions by referring people to Coursera's courses, Coursera Plus, professional certifications, and specializations. When someone you refer makes a purchase using your unique link, you can earn a commission ranging from 15% to 45%. Even better, you can earn commissions from the same user's multiple purchases, as long as they use your affiliate link. The cookies that track your referral's activity remain active for 30 days, giving you a good window for earning commissions. You'll receive a weekly newsletter and access to banners and text links to help with your promotions. Payments are recurring, and you can cash out once your earnings reach a minimum of $50. This program offers a great opportunity to monetize your online presence while helping others access quality education. As we wrap up this video, please share in the comments the affiliate program you're leaning toward. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our upcoming content. Stay tuned for more valuable insights on maximizing your earnings through affiliate marketing and online income strategies. Thank you.